Today we're going to install the Gator SFX trifold cover on this 2020 Toyota Tundra equipped with the deck rail system. Let's go ahead and get started. Now this truck is equipped with the deck rail system. We will need to use that when we install our brackets. So the first thing we want to do is remove this end cap, just push in and it slides right out. Now I've already gone ahead and loosened up this deck rail cleat. So I'm going to push in and slide that out. And next we're going to want to assemble our brackets. We've got our tap plate, we've got our claw hanger bracket. The claw is going to be facing just like so. We're going to take a provided washer and Allen screw. And I like to get them just started in place, not where the screw is coming all the way out the back of the tap plate. Do that on both of the holes in the tap plate. Now our tap plate can hang out like so. What you want to do, just slide that tap plate into the deck rail system. Once I've slid one in, it is up to you how you install your deck rail cleats. I like to do 2 deck rail cleats and then the last hanger bracket. It just works the best. Now I've already assembled this bracket. Just slide that in place. Put the plug back in and repeat the same process on the opposite side. All right, now this is exactly the way the cover comes out of the box. It's already pre-assembled. I'm just going to go ahead and set it right up even with the front of the bulkhead. I'm also center it side to side on the bed of the truck. Once I've got it centered here, I'm going to undo the clips and fold it to the tailgate. Now that I'm at the tailgate, I'm going to center it side to side at the back and also front to back. This sets the position of the cover so I can now very gently fold it forward. Be careful not to move the alignment of the cover. Now I can go underneath, set the clamps, and then set the brackets. All right, next what I want to do is go ahead and slide my bracket assembly directly below this load bar, because this load bar is what has our clamp. So once that's in place, I'm going to take our provided Allen wrench and go ahead and snug this up. All right, now we can go ahead and slide the clamp over to the bracket, raise the jaw of the clamp up into the bracket, and then turn this until it's nice and tight. We don't want to over tighten this, just get it nice and snug to where it doesn't move around. Repeat that same process on the opposite side. All right, now I've already gone ahead and folded the cover towards the tailgate. We're going to go ahead and get our clamp, rotate that down so we can line up our bracket to our clamp. Once that bracket is centered on the clamp, you can move that out of the way and tighten it down just like you did the front bracket. Now we're going to go ahead and drop the clamp down and lock it to our bracket. Repeat the same process on the opposite side. Well, that concludes the installation. If you have any questions, call the experts or visit us online.